There we are, Friday, November 4th, 2022. Beautiful day. A little cooler out today. It's kind of warm, humid, muggy the last couple mornings. And it's nice out. It doesn't stink anymore. The post-storm wash or whatever happened, it was making some bad swamp gas. But we got some fun today. I got some fun. I got to get going here. We are headed out to do some scrapping, storm scrapping. Got me some chain link fence here. Obey the toad. Got some posts. What I'm really going for is this hardware here. All this hardware that you get with chain link fences. This stuff is expensive. I mean, outrageously expensive. These post caps and stuff used to be like, I don't know, $1.99, 99 cents probably back 20 years ago. But now they've gone up. Each one of these bands is probably $2 or $3. I don't know. Comment. Who knows how much this stuff is worth? I know that I went to buy enough to hardware 50 feet of 4-foot fence, and it cost me $200. The top poles are $20 a piece. Each pole is $10. Each cap is another $10. I think these corners are probably $15-20. So I got a little bit yesterday, and somebody just texted me just a few blocks away. We've got some fence over there being given away. I got to get there before it's gone. Luckily, it's close by. So I got a few tools. Got some tools today. Got a fence pliers, socket, and a 9/16" wrench, and some bolt cutters. I'm going to go over there and try to wrangle in my hammer. I got to get my hammer there. I'm going to go over there and try to get this fence. All right, well, this is where it's supposed to be, but it's not out at the road. I see fence in the yard, so I got to come take this down, I suppose. It's 100, it looks like it, 160 feet. All right, well, not only did I get a fence out here, but he's got a lot of soffit work he wants done, and I don't know, I can't, I don't have time to do it. So he wants, I'm going to have to get him someone to do that. I'm too busy for that. But my fence, I got to grab some tools and start grabbing stuff off here. It's first come, first serve. If somebody else comes today, he's going to let them have it. So I'm going to grab these gates. I'm going to rip top poles and get all this hardware that I can right now before anybody else gets here, and then I'll come back for the rest later. If I can pull those poles, I'll yank those out too. So, yeah, money. All right, here's the other side. Yeah, each one of these gates is like $100 with all the hardware and hinges on it. Go price this stuff. It's crazy. We got cement. Oops. Well, that one broke off. Sometimes these aren't all that great, but it's got a pole cap on there. That's probably $5 or $6 right there. We'll get rid of that for him. All right, let me get the truck back in there. So it's been about 20 minutes, half hour. I got the gate stripped off. I got all the tie wires pulled off for about half of the yard or more, all the way over to the corner over there. So basically I got all this hardware ready to pop off, all this top rail ready to come off, and this fence about ready to roll up. It's not grown into the sod, at least not up here yet. So hopefully it's going to pull out and roll up pretty easily. I can make a break somewhere around here and get some of this loaded in the truck. Well, good news and bad news. That was pretty easy. I came over here and tried to pull this top rail out, and all the poles just fell over. So those are going to be easy to get out. They're already broken off. All right, looks like I am going to get paid for this job now. He wants me to remove the posts and sledgehammer. When I told him half of them are rusted off anyways, I think they're good. He says, well, if you just take everything down to the street, I'll pay you $50 an hour. So I'm getting all this fence, probably like $1,000 of the fence, and I'm going to get paid like 50, maybe $100 to remove all this. I might have to saw some of these off or pull them out. Just have to see which is easier. He says he's got a cordless sawzall in there I can even borrow, but we'll see how it goes. Might want to take some of these corner posts because those are a little more expensive. So win-win. Got all 160 feet loaded up there. Gotta get these top rails and I'm done. Score. Oh, and I made $50. And I might get a post driver too.